around us. Okay. So before we enter the lesson, I am going to ask some general question. Suppose this is a normal time. Okay, there is no any pandemic like any COVID-19. This is the festival time. Okay, so very soon we are going to be celebrating Christmas and we are going to celebrate New Year. Okay, so in this vacation, we are very enjoying. Particularly you students, you people, you are enjoying to going to shopping, right? Yeah, almost everyone enjoy because we are going to buy anything for Christmas celebration or buying cake or buying dress. So in that case, we enjoy a lot. Okay, so whenever we are going to purchase anything in shop or any cities or any mall, in that case we are seeing different types of shops and different types of things which was selling in that place. Okay, so in that lesson fully we are going to discuss about different types of market. Okay, different type of shops which sells different types of things. Okay, so that channel we are going to discuss, right? So market, you know very well. In this market, not only mentioned vegetable market, but also it mentioned by cloth or jewels, everything include the word of market. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to discuss about different types of market. Okay, so first type of market is weekly market, and second we are going to discuss about neighborhood shop. Neighborhood shop, and third we are going to discuss about shopping mall, and fourth we are going to discuss about online shopping. Online shopping, right? So under fourth topic we are going to be discussed today, right? So weekly market, neighborhood shop, shopping mall, and online shopping. Okay, so first weekly market. Okay, so one by one we will discuss. First is weekly market. Okay, so what is weekly market? What is weekly market? Here, you have any idea? Whether you have any idea weekly market? Yeah. Suppose we are in village or we are in small town, we often hear the word weekly market or in Tamil Sunday. Okay, so this is a small size of market. Okay, weekly, a specific day. Okay, a specific day of week they conduct this market. Okay, this is not a permanent market. Okay, a specific day of 1 week they will conduct market. Okay, like we have Udava Sunday in our each and every cities. No, like that in village side, are farmers, small traders. They are buying things from various places, or they cultivate their land and they taking them to this market and they are going to sell this market. Okay, so a specific day they will conduct the market. Okay, either Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, any one day, at week, any one day they conduct this market. Okay, so first feature of this market is they will conduct a specific day or in that particular place. Okay, so there is no permanent shop. Okay, in weekly market, where which trader, okay, which trading person comes that place first means in that particular day. Suppose he come first, he will choose his place. Okay, so there is no permanent shop. Suppose we are going to any shopping mall, whenever we see one shop stop or stop means always the stop or stop is there. Okay, so that is permanent. In that case it has a permanent building. Here there is no building first of all. Okay, in weekly market there is no building structure. In open ground they conduct market and they are using small that tent like only they are using, and and they spread their materials in that cart or in the tent, and they sold to their customers. Okay, so there is no permanent shop. Okay, so no permanent building or permanent shop. Okay, so once there is no permanent building or permanent shop means it is one more advantage in this weekly market. The person, okay, the trader, he is the particular person who involved trading. He no need to give rent. Okay, suppose he taking that land or taking that room for rent. In that case, the particular shop owner, he wants to pay rent each and every month. So when he pay rent, that time he wants to add the rent amount to his product. What he is selling in that product, he needs to add that amount. Okay. So in weekly market there is no permanent shop. That means the person, the traders, he should not. There is no requirement for paying rent. Okay. And there is no requirement of paying EB bill, electricity bill. Why? Because the conducting market may be in afternoon till night 8 o'clock or from the morning to evening. Okay. So after one particular time, they will close everything. They are taking everything along with them. Okay. So there is no particular shop. Okay. So next one is things are available cheap rate. Okay. So things are available very cheap rate. Why? Because I said now only when the person, the traders wants to pay rent or wants to pay electricity bill, wants to pay salary to the workers, that time only they add the price, they add the rate to their price what they sell. Suppose they are selling brinjal or onion or potato, in that case suppose you have chance to go to the market. Inside of the market they have separate building. In that place they connect market. Even in sometimes the roadside many people they are sitting and they are selling. Suppose you compare the rate, same vegetable. Suppose you are going to be buying brinjal one place. Suppose you enter the rate 1 kg is 25 or 30 rupees. The same brinjal, suppose you ask inside the building, inside that market, who kept the shop in the single building, definitely 1 or 2 rupees is extra. Okay, we need to pay 1 or 2 rupees extra. So the rate was very cheaper in weekly market. Okay, so because there is no risk to pay salary to the workers. Why? Because only one person or their family members only involved in trading in weekly market. Okay, so these risks are reduced in weekly market. That's why they are able to sell their product very cheap rate. Okay, so most of the things available at one place. Okay, so most of the things in weekly market, most of the things available at one place. What is this? What is most of the things available at one place means? In weekly market, suppose we are going to weekly market in Chhatrapati or any place, you can able to buy all the things like all vegetables, all fruits. Okay, everything available one place at very cheap rate. Okay, so that is the very big advantage in weekly market. Okay, so what are the advantages? What is weekly market means? Weekly once they conduct specific day they conduct one market. So that market called as weekly market. Okay, so there is no permanent shop in weekly market. Okay, so the particular trader they set up their shop in that particular place, and then that evening they wind up everything. The next day they are going to another village or another place. Okay, so where they conduct weekly market, in that place they are going to move, and in that place they are going to sell. Okay, so in weekly market we can able to get lot of things which was very cheap in rate. Okay, so this is only called as weekly market. You know very well about weekly market. Why? Because in our area we have a lot of experience to go and see about the working style of weekly market. Okay, suppose you have time, and the next time when you are going to weekly market, that time you also join with them and see how the weekly market, the people, the traders, how they sell, how the rate is differ from normal shop and the weekly market. Everything you are supposed to notice carefully, right? Neighborhood shop. Neighborhood shop is nothing but where we are live in that place. We have near our living area, near our house, we have some shops. Okay, some petty shops. Okay, that like shops are called as nearby shop or shopping in nearby. Okay, so shopping in neighborhood. So in that case, what is the specialty of neighborhood shop means that shop owner or the trader he know very well the customer. Okay, so suppose in extension, and through your extension we are living means in that extension we have one shop. Definitely the shop owner knows the people who are living in that area who often come to that shop. What are the things which sale often? Okay, so which things is the demand very often, like that he know very well. Best example, suppose we are going to buy biscuit package or milk package, we often choose nearby shop alone. In that case, we are not going to weekly market or any shopping mall. Okay, for buying curd or milk, in that time we are preferring neighborhood shop alone. Okay, so where we are buying milk or curd or urgent groceries. Okay, so in that shop shops are called as neighborhood shops. Okay, so we have a lot of experience. Each and every house near, definitely at least 100 to 300 meter away we have a shop. Okay, so that is what we call neighborhood shop. So in that case, the shop owner, okay, the shop owner or trader, he know very well about their customer. Okay, so about the customers who live in that area. So what is the benefit of understanding or knowing each other means, suppose very urgent we are going to that shop. Okay, near neighborhood shop, and we are taking a small kid, some guests coming to your home. You are taking that boys or the kids to the shop for buying milk or anything else. That time the kids ask chocolates or chips or lace, anything. You are not having enough money for buying that. So that time you just inform that shop owner, brother, I will give later. Like that we will say. Even in that time the shop owner also ready to accept. Okay, you are here alone, I will collect later. You can take it now. Like that they also give the consent. Okay, so the credit facility is available. Okay, so credit facility is available in neighborhood shop. Okay, so we can't accept. Suppose we are going to weekly market. Before we discuss now, in that weekly market we are buying brinjal or potato and tomato and some spinach. So after that we plan to buy some carrot and beans. That time we are not enough. There is no money in our purse. Suppose we ask that who sell that carrot and beans. That time in that case we can't ask. We just give now 1 kg carrot and 1 kg beans. I will give money next week, like that. We can't ask. Suppose we ask, even the traders also not ready to give their vegetable in credit money. Why? Because he don't know who you are, and you don't know who is that seller. You both don't know about their names and their place. That's why the credit is not available in weekly market, but you can get credit buying in neighborhood shop. Why? Because both are shop owner or customer, both are know very well. Okay, so in weekly market each other, so you are getting the things in credit. Next is, compared to other shopping mall or online shopping, the things which was sale in weekly market, neighborhood shop, that are very cheap rate. Okay, compared to other type of trading, other type of market, this also somewhat cheap price alone we can get it, right? So next we are moving to very interesting shopping mall. Okay, so next method is shopping mall. You all have the experience to visit shopping mall. Okay, like Phoenix Mall, Chennai Phoenix Mall, or Foro Mall, Trichy and all we have what is that? I forgot that name. Near Holy Cross College and near Junction we have a shopping mall. I forgot that name. That shopping complex name. Okay. So shopping mall. So so very big building. They construct very big building, many stories. Okay. In that fully air conditioned shops available. Okay. So in that air conditioned shop, they are selling lot of things. Okay. For each and suppose we are going to buy ping and bowl. For that we have separate shop. We want to buy a shoe or any accessories like bangle. For that we have separate shop. Okay. So all the shops are fully air conditioned. Okay. So and then in that shop where we can see like that shopping malls means maximum in urban area like cities and towns. Okay, urban areas means cities and towns around, cities or towns around. Can able to in village general there is no possible. Okay, why there is no possible? I will tell later. Okay, so in particularly urban area can able to see this like shopping mall, right? So some already said it's a multiple stories building. Okay, fully air conditioned shops are available. Okay, so all the shops are air conditioned. That is AC facility. Okay, so the shops. What are the things they sell in all the shoppings? They sell maximum in branded items. Okay, like Peter England, Bata, like that very branded item alone they will sell. Okay, so what is unique point or a negative point of shopping complex or shopping mall means all the shopping mall are available in urban area, city area only. Okay, so when city we are taking a house for rent, in that case we need to pay lot of tax or a lot of rent. Okay, minimum 6,000 7,000 for single bedroom or hall, kitchen, single bedroom house. But suppose we are going to Chennai or Coimbatore or Mumbai like cities, single room like our classroom size room is we are taking rent for our life. We need to pay minimum 10,000 rupees. Okay, so why I say this? The cost of living is very high in urban areas, in city area. Okay, so in like that cities, in shopping malls and all, which was fully air conditioned, a particular person wants to open one shop, okay, like a gift shop. A person wants to open gift shop in shopping malls. He wants to take one room, okay, one area for rent. Okay, so when he taking rent that area, the amount was very high. The rental amount minimum 25 to 50,000 rupees for rent. Okay, so and then they want to interior decoration. Okay, so interior decoration and they need to pay electricity bill. Okay, and they appoint some people for maintaining that area. Okay, so for them they have to pay salary. Okay, so these all expenses at last they are going to impose. They are going to be add the product what they are going to sell to the customer. Okay, suppose a gift shop they are going to buy a small doll. A small Barbie doll for any birthday baby gift. Okay, so actual rate of Barbie doll is very less compare other place or in online. Suppose we are going to buy that Barbie doll in the shopping mall, definitely the cost is high. Okay, better example biryani. Okay, whenever we are going to eat biryani in normal roadside or normal hotel, compare when we are eating in shopping mall. Okay, a small pot of biryani we need to pay lot of amount. Okay, I forgot the name. You will see in the tandal very small pot alone they will give the chicken biryani, but the cost is very high. Compare Anjapur or Game or Hakim biryani or some banana leaf. Okay, so why means they have to add the amount, the cost, their expenses in their product. Okay, and then they are selling the branded item only. Okay, and then they are selling the branded item only. Actually, whenever we are buying the things in branded, compare the normal, the branded is getting cost. Why? Because they are selling their product in televisions in more way. Okay, suppose we are going to buy in shopping complex shoe or any dress material. Okay, in many complex shopping complex there are opened many showrooms. Okay, suppose Ramraj cotton or Pothys related materials, Pothys buttons. That materials that we are going to buy in shopping complex shops means the price is compared in outside is very less, in shopping complex it's somewhat high because they are selling only branded items. Okay, so suppose we are comparing these three market. Okay, suppose we are comparing these three market like weekly market, shopping complex, neighborhood shop. All are very different. Okay, at last I will tell what is the difference. Okay, next we are going to discuss about online shopping. Online shopping. Nowadays very popular online shopping. Even you want to buy a small globe jam, you call Swiggy and we order. Okay, that also comes under online shopping. Okay, we want to eat burger, we just call Swiggy or Zomato, we are getting, we are enjoying. Okay, we want to wear watch, we order Amazon or Flipkart. Okay, we want to play in cricket bats, we need cricket bat, that too we can get in Flipkart. Online headset, headphone, earphone, that too we can get. So each and everything from normal pin, okay, hair band, from normal hair band up to fridge, washing machine, or everything we can be able to get online shopping. Okay, so through internet we are order our things. Okay, through internet we are order our things and we are getting in our hand itself. Okay, we no need to go to shop. Okay, no need to bargain. Okay, no need to go to shop. So suppose we have mobile, that is enough. Okay, comparing me, you know very well about online shopping. Okay, why? Because I am buying very less things only in online. You people are we will buy a lot of things through online, right? Yeah. So the buying and selling plays very different level in online shopping. Why? Because sometimes we can pay when we get the product. Suppose I ordered phone in online means when I am getting phone in my hand, that time I can pay cash, that is cash on delivery or online payment or credit card payment, like that. The mode of fund transaction also different in online shopping. Okay, so this is online shopping is the upcoming market in our world. Okay, throughout all the world, so all the countries in the world, they are preferring nowadays online shopping alone. Okay, even vegetables also you can be able to get in online. Okay, all groceries, everything available in online market. Okay, now I am going to draw the difference between, what is this? The differences between a weekly market, shopping in neighborhood, there is no space. Okay, and malls, online shopping. Okay, so this is important differences. Like that you are supposed to read, no problem. Okay, you will understand the concept easy. Okay, so weekly market, where we can see weekly market near in the particular village or small towns. Okay, so villages and small towns we can see weekly market. Okay, so neighborhood shop nearby our house. Okay, nearby our house the neighborhood shops are available. Okay, neighborhood shop. Malls, yeah, definitely we can see malls in cities and towns alone. Cities or towns alone we can be able to see mall. Okay, online shopping, wherever internet, everywhere. Okay, everywhere. There we are in very remote area, we can able to get the mobile signal, we can order. Okay, everywhere. shop will open. The shop will open weekly once. Okay, will open weekly once. So the shop means here the open space alone. There is no specific building. Okay, neighborhood shop all the day in the week. All the day in the week. So 24 into 7 all the days we can the neighborhood shop will open. Okay. So malls a particular one day, the general one day they will declare holiday. Some malls are open all the day. All the day. Neighborhood shops or online shopping all the day. All the day alone. Okay. So the product which they sell in weekly market that is very cheap. Compare with neighborhood shop, mall and online shop. Why? Because there is no expenses. Who sell in that market? The people they are not doing any lot of expenses. There is no the business development activity. Okay, that's why they are able to sell very cheap. Okay, so here also neighborhood also somewhat cheap compared to mall and online shopping. Okay, so malls the prices are high rate. The product are high rate. It's moderate. In online shopping, sometimes it was high, sometimes it was very low. Okay, so moderate rate available. Okay, so next we are going. Next, what another difference means bargaining. Okay, the customer side, our customer side, we have chance to bargain. Okay, we ask the sellers to reduce the prices. Okay, we can argue, we can bargain the particular person to reduce the rate. Okay, suppose one trader he sell that things in high rate. Another traders he sell the things in low rate. That time the customer asked why in that shop they sell 1 kg potato only 20 rupees. You alone said 22 rupees or 23 rupees like that. He asked means okay ma'am, you can check 18 rupees enough. You can take 2 kg like that. They are ready. Suppose we bargain, they are ready to reduce the prices. Okay. So here at there is no bargain. Remaining shop there is no chance to bargain. Okay. So like that, lot of suppose you compare all these 4 markets, you can able to get lot of ideas about all 4 types of market. Right? So a weekly market, neighborhood shop, mall, online shopping. Okay, shopping mall and online shopping. So next we are going to discuss about chain of market. Chain of market. So we are, suppose I am the customer. Okay, I am the customer. So we are the customer. We need to buy a biscuit packet. Okay, we need to we want to eat or we want to taste a biscuit packet or any chocolate or anything else. Okay, so that time suppose we are going to shop and we pay amount and then we are getting our product. Okay, so in that case here we are the customer. Here the product some biscuit packet or something else product. Okay, so your product wants to reach to customer, it wants to cross lot of levels. Okay, suppose biscuit you are taking, how we are getting biscuits means how the biscuits maximum biscuits were produced with the help of wheat. Okay, so the help of wheat flour, the factories convert into biscuit. Okay, so that is finished product. We are getting Sunkist biscuit or Mom's Magic or Good Day. When we are getting the packet, full packet of biscuit, that is finished product. Okay, so before that, the product wants to meet lot of stages. Okay, so when your product, when your things wants to make, like this, take biscuit alone, then factory owners they need to buy wheat flour. Okay, so wheat from where they are getting wheat means from farmers. Okay, so farmers produced wheat. Okay, so they sell wheat to who make the atta. Okay, flour makers. Okay, so from to that company they are selling. Okay, so that company they are buying, they are convert the wheat into flour. Okay, convert wheat into flour. So with the help of flour, the cookies company, okay, cookies makers, okay, cookies manufacturers, they are buying that flour and they are making cookies. Okay, they are making cookies and in the factory, and they are making, they are packed. Okay, after making, they pack their product and they sell to a dealer. Okay, they sell to a dealer. Okay, dealer means particular, suppose scientist small margin means the manufacturer directly he appoint one person, he is called as a dealer. They sell their things to this person. Okay, so the dealer, under him they select some people, some distributors. Okay, they select some distributors to the product. Okay, so with the help of distributor, they distribute throughout the country. Okay, so after the distributor they sell their product to wholesaler. Okay, so the wholesaler they sell their product to the shop owners or traders. So from the traders alone we will get, the customer will get. So product before reaching to customer. Okay, suppose we want to eat cookies, before it reaches, we want to cross this many people. Okay, so this is only called a chain of market. So from farmer, how much they will buy wheat means per kg 10 rupees or 15 rupees. And the flour, the atta makers, they convert, they clean that wheat and they grind that wheat and they are converted into flour and they sell the flour to the cookie manufacturing per kg. Suppose you are taking Ashirwad atta 1 kg 30 or 35 rupees. Okay, but we are buying the raw kg means raw wheat means only 15 to 16 rupees alone. Okay, so for in between work alone they are hike the rate. Okay, so 30 to 40 rupees they will sell their wheat flour to that manufacturer, that factory. Okay, so when that flour will converted into cookies, that time a single packet of biscuit. Okay, suppose we are putting single small packet within 6 or 7 biscuit, we need to pay 5 rupees. Okay, for making of that 6 to 7 cookies, they may use 100 grams of wheat alone. Okay, very less amount of wheat, and they add sugar and they are doing marketing, lot of things. Okay, so everything included in that rate. Okay, so they are going to give the dealer. So the dealer distribute. Okay, for dealer they are getting, so the cookies 5 rupees cookies I said no. When the manufacturer pack and they are going to give the dealer, it is the cost is 2.5. Okay, 2.5 alone. Okay, we are paying 5 rupees, but 2 rupees and 50 paise alone. The distributor, when he distributes the biscuits to various distributors in the cost of 3 rupees. Piece 3. Okay, when the distributor distribute to wholesaler in the rate of 350. Okay, so when the wholesaler give it to trader in 4 rupees. When the product reaches, we need to give 5 rupees. Okay, so each and every stage they are fixing their profit and time only they are selling. So in that case, who not fix the profit means the farmer alone. Okay, he don't know how much he want to sell the tender. Okay, that's why the farmer face lot of problem nowadays. Okay, this is only called chain of market. Okay, so the next topic is market and equality. The next topic is market and equality. Okay, so where in India the market is equal for all or not, that alone our question. Okay, suppose market and equality. This is general topic alone. So whenever we are going to shopping, okay, whenever we are going to shop any product, suppose we are taking jewelry, we are going to jewelry. A lot of people they also comes to jewelry. We are listening, we are seeing very different variety of chains, rings, and a lot of variety. Okay, whether all the people who comes to the shop, all are able to buy the product which was selling in that place. Suppose some people they are listening, they are seeing diamond ring or diamond necklace. Some people they are seeing normal silver ring or silver anklet. Okay, so suppose we compare the people who comes there, all are not have enough economic status buying all the things in that shop. Okay, so in India there is no equality even in market also. Okay, the people who sell, who kept in shop in weekly market, you are taking the fruit stall. Okay, who sell fruits in weekly market, he's cooking very less number of profit. The same like person who kept a fruit stall in that shopping mall, he's getting lot of profit. Why? Because the investment amount also huge and the spending, the return also he is getting lot. Okay, even the location. Okay, in the location also it's a different. The people getting their profit. Okay, so in India there is no equality in market. Okay, that alone you should understand, right? So we conclude this lesson up to this level. So today we discuss about different types of market, right? 4 different types of market, like weekly market, neighborhood shop, neighborhood shop, online shopping, shopping mall. Okay, so all 4 market and chain of market we discussed. Okay, so very simple lesson only. You supposed to read the lesson entirely and do the given worksheet in your homework note and write the notes in your CW note and practice with. Right? Thank you. Have a nice day.